Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of Thanksgiving coming up, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cornucopia. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cornucopia, let's begin down here, and I want to start with a couple little small fruit. So let's begin with an apple. I'll begin by drawing a line that's just going to go up, and that's going to come down and up again. Next, starting here, we'll draw a little line that's going to go up. We're going to come down and then back up, and we'll just connect it. Next, we'll add a little line that's going to go up, over, and down for the stem. And I'll make a little line that's going to come up to a point and then down for the leaf, with a little line right inside of there. Next, I want to put another little apple right next to here. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up, it's going to jump over here, and then it's going to come down. We'll make a little line that's just going to go up, and it's going to come down and up here. And we're just going to connect this one with a little line. We'll do the same thing. We'll add the little stem, and we'll add a little leaf on here too. Now, starting over here, I want to add some corn. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go up, and then we're going to come down here. We'll make a little line that goes out, and then it's going to come down. And another little line that comes out to a point, and then we're going to bring it down here. Next, I'm going to just draw some little curved lines right across here. I'll make them a little closer together. And then we're just going to draw about 3 or 4 little lines right down here. I'll just go with 3. Now, over here, I'm going to make a little squash. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up. It's going to curve around and then kind of hook over. Then I'm going to make a long line that's just going to curve up, and it's going to come right up to here. We'll just kind of connect it. Then I'm just going to draw a couple little kind of broken lines that come up here. Then we'll just add a little kind of rectangle shape at the top. Now, starting up here, I want to make a big pumpkin in the center. So to start off with my pumpkin, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down in like an oval shape. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then it's going to come down, with another one that's going to go up and down here. We'll make another one here that's going to go up and down, and another one here that's going to go down and then up. Or I should say, over and then down. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go over, it's going to go up, and then curve down for the top of our pumpkin. Now over here I'm going to put some grapes. So I'm just going to make a bunch of little small circle shapes all the way down here. And we're just going to make them kind of hiding behind each other, and they're just going to get a little bit smaller as they come down. We're going to put fewer and fewer as we get farther down towards the end. Now I'm going to add a couple little leaves around here too. So to start off with some of our leaves, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go down and out, like a little stretched out S. And then I'm going to curve it back here. We'll draw a little line down the middle. Over here, I'm going to draw kind of like a little wavy line, and I'm going to bring this little wavy line back here. We'll put another little line down the middle. Over here, I'm going to add more of a pointed line, and then we're going to bring this pointed line back with a little line down the center. Over here, I'm going to add another little line that's going to kind of curve out like an S, and then we're going to bring it back here with a little line. And then I'll make one more little wavy line back here that's going to connect to here with a little line. Now I'm going to start here and I'm going to make the opening of our cornucopia. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out and it's going to come down to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw that same shape right around here. And I want to keep this about the same thickness all the way around. Now, starting here, we want to make a big line that's just going to kind of curve over to here. So we're just going to take this line and we're just going to curve it down. Then I'm going to add another little curved line here, and then a smaller one here. Next, starting here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to kind of hook down. Then I'm going to curve this around, and I'm going to make it get nice and big as it comes all the way down to here. Now let's add a little bit of detail onto our cornucopia. So I'm going to make some little curved lines that just come right along the edge here, just to make it look like there's some detail on our little cornucopia basket. So we're just going to make these little curved lines all the way across, and we're going to bring these all along here. Now, starting here at the top, let's make a nice long line that's just going to come down here. I'm going to make another one that comes here. And I'm just going to kind of continue making some of these lines all the way along the edge of our cornucopia. So we're just going to bring these all along here. And they're just going to get a little bit smaller as they get towards the top. So we're just going to bring these all along here. Now back here, I'm going to add another ear of corn, just so we kind of look, so it looks like there's more stuff inside of our cornucopia. So I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and down, make a little line that comes to a point and then down, and then another one here that just comes to a point and then down. I'll add 1, 2, and then 3 little lines coming down, and then we'll add a bunch of little curved lines right across here for all the little corn kernels. And there you go, there is your drawing of a simple cornucopia. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.